Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I am unboxing Ipsy for February of 2018. So guys, this is Ipsy for February of 2018, and we're gonna unbox it, unbag it, that whole shebang for you guys today. But before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself to those of you guys I haven't met yet. Hi, my name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you, and I would love for you to become friends with me on the internet. And basically how you do that is by scrolling down below and clicking that red subscribe button. And that just allows us to be friends on the internet, and you see my new videos and all that jazz. But it's free, so don't worry. And just so you guys know, I do a ton of unboxings on this channel. I'm a subscription box addict, so if you guys are a subscription box addict and you love seeing beauty and makeup and lifestyle subscription box unboxings, then make sure you subscribe. I also do makeup tutorials, reviews, and other things like that. So if that sounds like a fun time, make sure you subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump right into this Ipsy bag. I'm being weird today, you guys. That's just gonna be how it is, because I'm a weird person. First thing I'm seeing in here is this IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter. Exciting. I like a little bit of glow. That was a weird thing. I don't know why I did that. This is hard to get out, you guys. There's like a thing inside a thing. This is the cutest little packaging ever. It's like a little nude compact, and it is very pretty. I'm liking it a lot. Isn't it cute? I like it a lot. And inside we have this really pretty champagne highlighter, and I think that will go great with my skin tone. Yeah, it is definitely the bronze shimmery shade that is exactly my skin tone. So maybe in the summer when I'm just a little bit tan, it'll go really great and just look like I'm glowing, reflecting the light of the sun or something like that. I don't know, but I like this. I'm excited. It's definitely a decent size, and I think this is a great thing to get in my Ipsy. Next thing I'm seeing here is a Lychee and Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush. That'll be fun. Can't get the packaging open. Guys, boxes are hard. Why are boxes so hard? Because there's nothing to rip. So this is what the blush looks like. It definitely has a little bit of a gold reflect in it. A little bit of a glowy blush, which I think is really fun for spring and summer. So that's definitely something I'll enjoy. Again, a really great size. Definitely going to bring this with me on travel. I think this is going to be great. And so far, we're doing well. Ipsy is killing it. Oh my goodness. You guys. How does Ipsy even do this? They're becoming the $10 BoxyCharm. I don't even get it. So here is what I got. It's a Luxie 249, a double-sided brush. And I was just talking about the other day. Can't talk. My tongue is not working, you guys. So I was just talking about the other day how one of my palettes had a double-sided brush that was, you know, a little bit crappy. And I wanted to replace the brush. And here we go, Luxie brush gives me a brush to replace it with. It's a double-sided brush. One side is like a fluffy blending brush. One side is a flat shader. So I think this will be really great for travel, sticking in a palette and bringing with me. Next thing I'm seeing here is a Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxify and Brightening Purifying Pink Clay Mask. So this is definitely something fun to get. I like getting masks. It does feel like this sample size is a little bit empty. There's a lot of air in here. In the light, I can kind of see it stops right about there. So not as much product in there as it seems, but I do like getting masks, so that'll still be fun, even though I don't think it adds a whole lot of worth to the bag. And the last thing I'm seeing here is a Hey Honey Come Undone Face and Eye Daily Makeup Remover. This will be really fun to stick in my travel bag. I have a hard time finding makeup removers that are travel friendly. So this will definitely be good because it's such a small size. So I'm excited to get to use that. So this is what we got in our Ipsy this month. A highlighter, a blush, a double-ended Luxie brush, a makeup remover, and a clay mask. Those are all things I like, all things I'll enjoy. And I'm definitely liking Ipsy more and more lately. I feel like they keep getting better and better. So you guys, what do you think about Ipsy this month? Did you like it? Did you not like it? What is your favorite product from this month's bag? And do you think you're going to be getting Ipsy? If you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so to get in on more unboxings. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!